いうことなんですけども、この XRP っていうのは、いわゆる仮想通貨のリップルですね。それがもらうことができるということでございます。なので、この XRP についてはリップルというふうに呼んでいきます。
Hey, everybody. Yes, you are on the right channel. It's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. The owner of that channel uses an avatar of a samurai kitty and was talking about a promotion with XRP. We're going to cover that in this video, along with a lot of other news and updates that you're not getting in the West when it comes to crypto and the digital asset XRP. So come on, everybody, let's go. First off, the Bank of Japan completed its first phase of testing a CBDC. That would be a central bank digital currency. They're calling it a demonstration experiment, and they started phase 2 this month. The issuance is not officially decided, but phase 1 was a proof of concept where they looked at the technical throughput, the transaction speed, the server usage. They also tested a ledger account system versus a token type system. And in phase 2, they're going to study the convenience, the economical design, the cooperation between intermediaries, and I can tell you, they're just moving right along. The yen hit a 20-year low today against the dollar, and the Bank of Japan has also warned to expect the strongest inflation that this country has seen in 30 years. When I talk about a weak yen, it is 28% weaker than the dollar. I am just flabbergasted on this difference. Now, manufacturers here really enjoy that. It helps to boost their exports. But I can tell you that for the inflation warning, well, for everybody around the globe, I think this is on the minds of everyone. I have a couple of stories coming out of SBI Japan. And if you follow SBI, you know that Mr. Yoshitaka Kitao is the CEO of SBI Holdings and the largest outside shareholder of Ripple, and arguably the strongest supporter for the digital asset XRP. I want to just tell you that the first story is about their flagship exchange, SBI VC Trade. And I want to show beautiful Rene Sumi. She's still the spokesperson for the brand. And boy, she keeps it squeaky clean. They've also launched a new simplified app for the mobile phone. It's geared towards beginners, and that's very telling. There are so many new beginners in this space that just don't have any idea what they're doing. So in order to get the word out, they did this retweet campaign. And I'll tell you, they have had 7,992 retweets thus far. That is a lot of retweets. In addition, XRP is being promoted as a reward if you sign up for the new Sumitomo Banking Corporation credit card. This is a campaign that ends July 31st. This is what the Samurai Kitty was talking about in the intro, and you have a chance to win up to almost $300 in XRP. Before we get to the big news, this is pretty big also. SBI Group, with Japan's third largest banking corporation, Sumitomo Mitsui, they are building a new stock exchange. It has an aim to open in the spring of next year. It is in the middle of a big recruiting campaign. It's built on a blockchain, and it will focus on the securities market, specifically the STOs, or the security token offerings. So this is going to be everything tokenized. It will be in Osaka, which is about 2 hours south of Tokyo if you travel by bullet train. This next update is something that a lot of us have been following. There is a second exchange in the SBI camp called FXcoin. And if you remember, they did a demonstration for the use of a crypto swap in the FX market. And they used XRP as that bridge. This exchange received another investment from SBI on Friday. It's really been in stealth mode. They turned off their retail exchange customers in December, and it's just been so quiet. Lips have been sealed, but we have a tiny bit of an indication as to what it is they're doing in the last sentence of this announcement. We aim to become a comprehensive financial institution for crypto assets by utilizing this capital alliance and collaboration to build a foundation for long-term growth. Well, I can tell you that when we revisit the announcement that was made with the demonstration, you can really understand that the president believes in this concept wholeheartedly. That announcement that was made was a demonstration experiment using the crypto asset XRP, and it was conducted with the Sumitomo Corporation, one of their group companies in Singapore. XRP was used as a hedge in the swap, and they were able to demonstrate the usefulness and future potential. And the president of the FXcoin went on to say that he is confident that it has even greater potential to expand the crypto asset swap market. The world's swap market is trillions daily, close to 7 trillion. So this could be an enormous utility for XRP in a market that is just gigantuous. Let me read for you just another portion of an article that covered this when it was announced, and I think it will make sense to see how the digital asset is being used. So crypto assets are currently considered to have a strong speculative aspect due to the high volatility, but the forward-dated transaction provided by FXcoin will work as a hedge of the price fluctuation risk associated with XRP. Denominated receivables and payables of operation companies. In addition, the ability to conduct a forward-dated transaction using crypto assets in commercial trades with overseas operating companies is expected to reduce settlement cost, improve settlement speed, and diversify settlement methods in the activities of operating companies for expanding globally in the future. If a digital asset can be used in the FX swap market, oh my gosh. Operate. The fact that Mr. Kitao has come with another round of funding really tells me that he is convinced and committed to this plan. Now, when do I think it'll be announced? I'm not sure. I think this year. The fiscal year in Japan is a little bit different. We have the year ending March. So April, May, June is Q1. And the investment relations, those presentations occur 30 days after the first quarters, the quarters are completed. So we might see an announcement of what it is they have been working on in July, or we might see it in October. That is my best guess. But one thing for sure, they are definitely working on something big. And I don't doubt it is all about a crypto asset swap market. Well, just a quick peek at the market. We're looking at the top 100 by market cap, and we've got a lot of green. It's pushing in the right direction. Well, at least the right direction for those people who feel that they've had enough of this moving sideways and cost averaging in. Bitcoin is up over 40,000, and looks like the one with the largest gains at a glance here looks like Luna. Terra Luna is up 16.94%. XRP is trading at 76 cents, but a lot of really good gains. So if you're one of those people that are really getting tired of this sideways movement, well, I hope that the momentum stays for you. All right, everybody, let's jump to the fluff. This is Barto, and Barto was born in Estonia, and he is one of the few sumo wrestlers that are foreign born, and he did now retire, but boy, he was very much a force to be reckoned with. He was a very good wrestler. Unfortunately, he had some injuries due to his bad knees, and so he had to retire early. But I was a big fan of his, and I don't know if you know, but this used to be a sumo channel. Yeah, it was changed about 5 years ago, but I am a huge sumo fan. And I just want to share with you the artwork that was done of Barto, and it's in the form of an NFT, and it's being shown on OpenSea, and there's a little bit of fluff involved to describing what's going on there. Here we are on OpenSea, and it's got some great pieces of imagery here, and they are of the different throwdowns or techniques that are called kimarite. And this is what the association defines as the official techniques. And there are 82 in full. There's a Taskizori, there's Sukidashi, Kimedashi, and Kakenage and Kotenage. These two are very, very common. You'll see many of that same technique used often during a tournament. But some of these techniques are so rare that when they do happen, it's so exciting for the sumo fan. And also, one of the things that sumo fans love to do is guess call out the type of technique before it's officially called. It kind of like your way to show how expert you are, how knowledgeable you are of the sport. So yeah, I can only do maybe 20 or 25, and it's the most common ones. Some of them I have never even seen. That's how rare they are. But it's fun to see that somebody has done this collaboration with him on OpenSea. So here we are in a virtual setting. It looks like a piece of software that shows off the artwork as if you're walking in a gallery. It's a little jerky, but it still is kind of fun to see the scale and the size and the colors side by side. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you because I still love my sumo even today. All right, everybody, do take care. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.